This is a video for the side, the hip airbags. And it's just to show where the Velcro is supposed to be. So if you can see right there, when I flip it, both sides, half of the Velcro is stuck on the actual hip airbag. So you can see it's not totally on the Velcro itself. And same thing with the other side. So you can see the way it's stuck on there, and that will actually prevent it from popping out as it inflates. So yeah, when you're putting it back on, just make sure to move this down a little bit and stick half of it on the soft side, another half on the hip. And there you go.